Hello and welcome to the new video tutorial of Begisto. In this video, we will see that how cart rules works in Begisto. Cart rule can be very important for the sellers to raise the business, from which the admin can create some coupons or some cart rules to avail discounts for their customer. This can be very beneficial for the customers as well as for the website owner to raise the business. So in this video we will see that how the admin can create cart rules in Begisto. So let's see the workflow of this. First of all, we need to navigate to the admin panel. Under the Begisto admin panel, click on marketing, and under the marketing there are two options, catalog rules and cart rules. Click on cart rules, and from here the admin can add cart rules for the e-commerce system. To add a new cart rule, the admin need to click on add cart rule button. After clicking on the add cart rule button, the admin need to enter the name, description, and from here the admin can enable or disable the status of the cart rule. Next one is channel. From here the admin can multi-select the channels, and from here the admin can multi-select the customer groups according to the requirement. Now the another field is coupon type. From here the admin can select between the two from the drop down menu, that is no coupon and specific coupon. If no coupon is applied, then the customer doesn't need to input any coupon to avail the discount. Another one is uses per customer, that how many customer can use this coupon, but this is only for the logged in customers. Now the another one is date. First one is the initial date, from when the admin want to start the cart rule, and the another one is the end date, from where the admin want to end the cart rule, the last date of that cart rule. Here the admin will select the last date of that cart rule. From here we can set the priority of that cart rule. Now next is condition. This is very important under the cart rules. Here condition type. Under the condition type, the admin can select between the two, like all conditions are true and any condition is true. Suppose we are selecting here all conditions are true. Now here, from here we need to add the condition. Whenever a admin will click on add condition, a block will appear from where the admin can select the condition according to the requirement. There are several conditions like cart attribute, and under the cart attribute there are subtotals, total items quantity, payment method, shipping zip, shipping rate, shipping state, and under the cart item attribute there are price in cart, quantity in cart, total weight, subtotal, additional information. Another one is product attribute. There are categories children only, categories parent only, attribute family, and so on. There are number of conditions that are available for the admin. The admin can select between from these conditions. Suppose here we are selecting price in cart. Now here the admin can select between is equal to, is not equal to, equals or greater than, equals or less than, greater than, and less than. Suppose here we are selecting equals or greater than, so the condition is price in cart equals or greater than. Now here we need to enter the amount 100. So if a product in cart having a price equal or greater than 100, then this cart rule will be applicable in the checkout process. Now the another one is actions. Under the actions there are several types, such as action type. The admin can select between the action or the discount type of discount he want to promote to the customers. like percentage of the product price, fixed amount to wholesale, buy X and get Y free. Suppose we are selecting here fixed amount, so here we need to enter the discount amount that we need to give. Another one is maximum quantity allowed to be discounted. Here the admin can put the maximum quantity of the products so that the amount will be discounted till that quantity only. Now the another one is buy X quantity, that will be applicable to the action type buy X and get Y. Now the another one is applied to shipping. If the admin want to apply the cart rule to the shipping, it can be set as yes from the drop down menu, and same for the free shipping also. Now the another one is and other rules. The admin can set between the yes or no. If there are some other rules also, set it as yes, otherwise set it as no. And after filling all these details, the admin just need to click on the save cart rule button. Now as we can see that the cart rule have been created successfully. Now let's see that how the cart rule will be applicable on the front end. Here as we can see under the cart rule is visible with all the details like ID, name. So we are not using any code, so coupon code is not available here. Start date, end date, status is active, priority we haven't set any priority. And under the actions we can edit the cart rule, delete the cart rule, and from this button we can make a copy of this particular cart rule. Now let's move on to the front end to see this beautiful feature of Begisto. So we are adding a product to the cart. Here we have added a product to the cart. Now let's move on to the cart page. Under the cart page, here under the cart summary, we can see the amount discounted is $50. As we know that we have set from the admin panel $50 to be discounted if the cart amount will be more than $100. Here we can see the cart amount is more than $100, so the discounted amount is $50 for this product. So this is the case when there is no coupon applied. So here the customer doesn't need to enter any coupon, and the coupon or the cart rule is automatically activated. Now let's see that how this will work when the admin has created a coupon, or in this case the customer need to enter the coupon to avail the cart rule or to avail the discount. So let's move on to the admin panel once again. Under the admin panel, let's first delete this cart rule because it will make a confusion. So click on the add cart rule button, and under the add cart rule we have to fill all the details as I have explained before. Description, status as active, need to select the channels, customer groups. Here we need to select a specific coupon and auto generate coupon. If the admin want to make the auto generation of the coupon, the admin need to select it as yes, otherwise select it as no. Now here we need to enter the coupon code, uses per coupon, that how many times a coupon will be used. Uses per customer, it is like how many times a single customer can use that particular coupon, but this is only available for the logged in customer only. Now the initial date and the last date for the cart rule. Priority, we can set the priority according to the requirement. Under the condition, we need to select the condition as I have explained before. Click on add condition. So we are selecting a price in cart is equal to or greater than 100. Now come downwards under the action. So here we are selecting here fixed amount and we are giving the discount of $70. Maximum quantity to be allowed here. This can be also set by the admin according to the requirement. After this, filling all these details, the admin just need to click on the save cart rule button. As we can see that the cart rule have been created successfully. Now let's see the front end of the website, that how the customer can use the coupon to generate the discount for their products. Now let's move on to the front end. Okay, this is the front end. Let's remove the product from the cart first. So this is the front end of the Begisto e-commerce website. We are adding a product to the cart. Suppose here we are adding this product to the cart and click on the view shopping cart button. Here all the details are available. Now under here where the enter coupon code is written, we need to enter the coupon, that is sale. Here we can see coupon code is visible, that is sale. So we need to enter the coupon here and click on the apply coupon button. After clicking on the apply coupon button, as we can see that the coupon has been applied successfully and the discount of $70 is applied on the cart. Under the cart summary, we can see all the details like subtotals of the product, tax, and the amount discounted on that product by using the coupon that is named as sale. So this was all about cart rules in Begisto. If you still have any suggestion, query and questions, please let us know over the comment box, or please raise a query at begisto.uvdesk.com. Please also do subscribe our videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.